guys? It's your girl Kyra, and I know I'll be abandoning y'all these days, and I'm so sorry. So today I'm gonna just be doing probably some quick Bantu knots. I didn't really go into today's wash day with much of a plan, but here I am. So my hair is of course freshly washed, and I'm just literally just gonna use my Free the Roots, my spray. That's all. I'm not using no oils, no nothing today. When I was washing my locks, I actually noticed a little bit of like product residue in like the top parts of my locks. Now I'm about to reevaluate some things at this point. Whatever the case may be, we're gonna keep it real light today. Got me some good berry juice.
I'm gonna try to just boom, 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 boom through this. I really should move this camera down, y'all, but why is it even up this high?
Alright, so this is a hydrating mist by Free the Roots, and this is a French lavender scent, and she's a little down there. So I also have this pine mint one for backup. Okay. Y'all, I can't believe my locks are almost 2 years. There ain't gonna be no method to this madness because I really don't even feel like doing this, to be quite honest. I really could just go without retwisting. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. It's actually looking quite fine in this camera. It's looking real good. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, let me stop so I can take some pics. Hold on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Now it's time to get it cracking. Yeah, I gotta hurry this up. I got stuff to do. The damn bottom row. I was gonna say we'll do those two, but... And that's how we about to get down. Actually, I can probably go around this one. Yeah. These probably won't be in for very long because it already hurts. So y'all, I just did this in like less than 30 minutes. Mind you not. What's going on right here, the big boys. Yeah, y'all, that was quick. So I'll come back and show y'all whenever these come out, and I guess I look like a little something something. So it's been about 4 days, and surprisingly they are still in, you guys. It's been a couple nights where I'm like, yeah, I ain't gonna make it because it be itching. My scalp is itching. But I feel like it's gotten to the point now where it's all right, so we may be okay for a little bit. So I just want to say, if you are trying to do self-maintenance when it comes to your locks, stop acting like everything has to be perfect. It does not need to be perfect. It's not always that serious. That's not to say just get in your head and do anything, but don't act like you need to be a loctician to do locks. If I'm saying it's easy, it's easy. Cut it out, y'all. It don't have to be perfect. Like, y'all see how I just whip these things up in here? Just whip them up. Just whip it up. Just do your hair. I'll see y'all for the next video.